All right, calling all minimal case lovers or those who go caseless. Today we're taking a look at a product that is perfect for you. We are going to take a look at the Suti Phoneback for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now the price on this ranges from $39 to $49 depending on the material, which of course I will tell you about. But before we get started, I want to give a huge shout out to Larry, one of the subscribers of the channel. He actually sent me these phonebacks. He said, hey, I got some extras. Let me send them to you so you can review them. So Larry, thank you very much for making this video possible. So taking a look at the packaging, we have just very simple packaging, this like off-white envelope here, and it says Suti on it. Nothing really on the back there, except you do get your color right here. So what you do is you just open this up in here, and there we get just some styrofoam, some foam material there, and nothing else. So moving all that to the side, just taking out the Phoneback out of here, and we are taking a look at the warm gray silicone color. Now, also, I have the black nano leather. This one's silicone. This is the nano leather, which is a vegan leather material. So with vegan leather, what that means is you're not going to get a patina. This is not real leather. It's not made from any animal products or anything like that. It is completely a vegan leather material, so no patina. It's not going to show as many scratches, nicks, or dings, or anything like that. So if real leather is something that you're worried about, or you may be kind of worried about getting damage on the case or anything like that, go for a vegan leather option. That is not going to show any of that stuff. But anyways, yes, we do have the two colors here. Now, there's really nothing to go around the inside or outside of the case because it's just this really thin Phoneback. But taking a look, this one is going to be that silicone material. This is $39. So any silicone or the clear one are going to be $39. The vegan leather, they're calling them the nano leather, is $49. So you pay an extra $10 for the material. But that is what it's going to look like on the back. You do get a polycarbonate camera plateau with precise cutouts, and here is silicone. Then turning on the inside, you get this nice soft touch material, also with the same polycarbonate that is recessed right there. And that's it. No sides, no inside, no outside, none of that. So let's go ahead and bring over our scale here, and we'll bring over the caliper too. Why not? We'll see how thick this is, how much this weighs, all that. I can't even speak today. So anyways, we are in grams here, and starting off, we are looking at 43 grams on this one, and then just weighing the nano leather, we're looking at 39 grams. So the silicone one is going to be 4 grams heavier than the nano leather. So if that bothers you, that's something to note there. And then just bringing over our caliper, going from front to back, inside to outside, whatever you want to call it, 2.3 millimeters on the nano leather. And then with the silicone, we are looking at 2.5 millimeters there. So that is your measurements. The materials are going to have a little bit of a different thickness and weight there. But for right now, let's go ahead and bring over that Cosmic Orange 17 Pro Max. And there's no click into the case. What we're actually going to do is just snap that on right into place. And here we go. No muss, no fuss. This is all it is. So there's no glue here. There's no adhesive, right? I can take this. This would stick to any glue or anything like that. I can take this and put it on anything and it'll be just fine. There is no adhesive. This solely works with magnetic connection via your MagSafe magnets. Now, I know a lot of people may be asking, hey, well, is that going to interfere with the MagSafe and all that? No, it's actually going to make it better. We'll talk about that though. Let me not get ahead of myself. But anyways, that is what you are looking like, guys. Really no need to test any fit because it doesn't cover the sides or the screen, just the back. So what we're going to do is just jump right to our camera protection, right? So on the back, of course, this nano leather here, this is not going to protect you with your drops. It'll help you with nicks and dings and scratches. And of course, to just set your phone down. A lot of people, I know if you're like me, I'm always setting my phone down just on its back. So setting it down just like this, you will be just fine. It will protect your camera plateau because of the polycarbonate, which is also polycarbonate right here on this one, just like it is on the silicone one. So no matter which material you get, you'll get some more protection for your camera plateau. But looking at that protection, you get some pretty decent coverage there for your lenses. Now it is precise cutouts, so you can set this down on most surfaces and you'll be fine. And just to show you guys what the silicone one looks like here on the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange, you just align that and there you go. Basically the same level of protection right there. So let's go ahead and take a look at that MagSafe strength, right? And yes, sure, we will test both of these. So starting off with the Apple MagSafe wallet, attach that. We are going to get an animation, and this is going to give you some pretty decent MagSafe strength. Now, this is a soft material here or a smooth material on smooth material, so that may kind of make it not as strong, but it's definitely stronger. Just to show you guys real quick, let's go ahead and take this thing off. It's definitely stronger than just the MagSafe on the actual phone. This gives you much less MagSafe strength than if you were to put the phone back on here, bring that right back over, and it's definitely giving you a good bit more strength. At least I can notice it in my testing. Now, bringing over the Apple MagSafe battery pack. There we go, charging. Give it a good shake, and you are good to go. There we go. And then last but not least, we will go to the Anker 623. And I mean, this thing is going to give you some pretty decent MagSafe strength. It's not going to be the craziest MagSafe strength. You're not getting that strength of like a phone Rebel or anything like that. But this is just a phone back, just literally meant to give you the slightest bit of protection on the back of your phone. So you kind of know what you got to expect when you're coming into this. And let's go ahead and bring over that black one here. We'll just do that same exact MagSafe test. Just got to pick it up. All right, there we go. Starting off with the MagSafe wallet here. Also, you're going to get the animation. I started the password. But yes, you will get it. And same good MagSafe strength there. Your Apple MagSafe battery pack will work as well. Give it a little shake. Good to go. And last but not least, the Anker 623. Pick that up, attach that, and yeah, it's going to give you better MagSafe strength. I mean, we can take the phone back off one more time just to show you guys on the naked phone itself. And it's the slightest, like, a little bit of movement will get that off. But if I bring the phone back, we got to put that back on, and here you go. Definitely more improved MagSafe strength than just on the back of your phone. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's the phone back. There's no sides to test. There's none of that. No buttons because it's the buttons on your phone. No camera control because it's the camera control on your phone. The bottom, everything is exactly just your phone. All you get is this back. So let's go ahead and talk about some of these colors, right? So this one is going to be the Raven Black Nano Leather. Then we have the warm gray silicone that you guys saw. It's also going to come in Alpine Orange silicone, Carbon Black silicone, Saddle Brown Nano Leather, Navy Blue Nano Leather, and Clear Polycarbonate. So you get a few different color options when it comes to the Suti Phoneback. The price on it, in my opinion, I still think it's a little high, guys. 39 bucks for this. I mean, there's some cases out there, some really protective cases that you can get for way less than $39. I mean, some are even in the $18 to $25 price range, but that's not what this is for. This is for those minimalists, somebody who really does not want any case. They want to feel the sides of the phone. They want to feel everything about the phone, but just have that little bit of extra, A, protection for the back when you set it down, but B, also better MagSafe strength. And you can kind of change up the color on your phone. You want an orange one? Put that on. You want the nano leather? Put that on. All without having to have or feel like you have a case on your phone. So that is going to be that. In my opinion, I like it, guys. I mean, for me, it's not something I use all the time just because I'm a case person. I'm an accessory channel. You guys know this. But on those times where you're just kind of hanging out, right? You're not going anywhere. You're just in the house and you kind of want to run your phone caseless. Why not throw one of these on, right? You put one of these on and you can go sit on your couch, do whatever, and really get the feeling of your phone. But if you set this down on your couch arm, it won't be as slippery, right? Because it's silicone instead of the aluminum and glass on the back of the phone itself. But all around, guys, that's just kind of one of those things. It's something for those who love to go caseless, or if you want to go caseless every once in a while, slap this on, go sit on your couch, hang out, really get the feeling of your phone in your hand, and then when you're getting ready to leave, slap your favorite case on and go ahead. But that has been the Suti Phoneback, guys. Let me know what you think about this down in the comments below. This isn't for everyone, I know, but if you have one, let me know which one you have and what you think about it. But if you don't have one, definitely let me know in the comments, would you try it? Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these videos for you. And if you guys want to see another great case for minimalist case lovers, but still going to protect your phone from just about any drop, I'll leave that video right here. If you're like, no, I want a little more coverage, but still something minimal, a great option is right here.